Alright, so back on the OM606 again. Just went for a ride and it's definitely still having that issue. I cleared the code and it didn't come back, but it's got no power. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. This is kind of like a little life hack for these cars. So basically, this is for the EGR or something right here. This little canister thing. And then there's an identical one down in there. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to take the canister solenoid thing off the EGR, swap it to the boost side, plug it back in. I know they're the same device and it's plug and play, and that should cure this issue. So we'll see how it works, see if everything's happy when I do that, and enjoy. Hop in, bud. Alright, so I didn't catch it on camera, but I found that my map sensor, the hose had actually slid off of it. So I wasn't getting any fueling because the car won't fuel until it senses boost. So now I should have some speed, if the car actually goes anywhere. So it seems like that actually helped it a lot. So I think we can call it good now. Anyways, I'm going to do some more stuff to it now. Seems like something might be a little bit off, but I'll show you what I changed. So I wasn't getting a proper pressure reading to the map sensor, which now through my ODB I can tell it's working correctly and things seem to be alright. So that's all I'm going to do right now for you guys. Alright, so I know I've kind of already done this video before, but I'm going to do another Liqui Moly because I found some hoses that I can hook up so I can actually show you it as it's happening in a jar, and I can easily run both the bottles because I got the ball out of the undercarriage that I dropped last time I tried to do it. So that's what I'm going to try and do now. Should be interesting to see what I get out of the injectors. So at work we get rags given to us. Look how sweet this one is. Bartman. Or Bartman, I mean. Definitely seems like it's changing color a little bit. Well, I can hear a difference after doing about half the container so far. I'm just gonna kind of let it ride, keep doing what I'm doing. Take a close look at that. A lot more yellow going on. Definitely a darker color in the overall Liqui Moly. You can see that's pretty gross. I'm not going to run that last little bit. I'll dump that into the gas can or something. But I don't know. Glad I ran it. Car seems to sound better. And yeah, we'll hook the hoses back up and give it a listen. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the thing sounds really smooth now. I just turned it back on for the first time. Car sounds awesome. I'm going to go for a little drive, see how it does. But I think that's going to be all for this OM606 video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can catch me on the next one. Like, subscribe, and you can get me on Instagram at Lowristocrat. See ya.